Hello, in this video I'll show you how to fix credit card decline on Roblox. Now it's extremely easy fix. All you have to do is first open your Roblox. Now just simply go to settings option and right over here go to settings. Then just simply go to payment methods. Now right over here, whatever payment method you currently have, just simply remove them. So what you have to do is click on the payment method that is saved over here. Then choose remove and remove the card from your account. Now once you will do that, again in order to add a new payment method, just simply try to buy something. Let's say for example buy Roblox. Then simply choose anything, like for example this one. Now choose your desired payment method right over here. So let's say for example PayPal. Choose PayPal. Now what you have to do is just simply complete the login process and add the payment method, and then just simply buy this particular Roblox. And if you are able to complete the transaction, that means your payment method issue is fixed. Now let's say you are unable to complete the transaction. That means there might be two reasons that you are facing the issue. The first reason is your card number that you just used over here, that might be wrong, or there might be some type of issue on the end of your bank. So what you have to do is you have to just simply contact the bank service of your particular bank and then ask them to review your card details, because whenever you are trying to do a transaction, you're facing the issue. Just simply explain them the details. So that's the only fix that you can try. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.